Good morning guys and welcome to my Ocho Rios Jamaica travel vlog. We have an exciting fun day planned. First thing on the list is river tubing and the blue hole. Guys, we're at the first stop of the day, which is the blue hole. Got my life jacket on, my swimsuit, my water shoes, and we're ready to go, baby. Guys, we're on the next stop of the journey, which is the river tubing. How much is sticking out behind me? Why? So get out of here. Guys, we're back from the tour. That was amazing. It was fun. Minus the blue hole. There was wild. But other than that, today was super fun, exciting, the zip line. I even managed to get that much footage because it was so fun. But now we're going to Din Dins. I'm at a real Jamaican chicken place, where they kill them and eat them. Let me show y'all. Dinner's done and now it's time to enjoy some hotel entertainment, baby.
Watch ya! Hey! I'll eat up now.
Good morning guys and welcome today to, so I'm currently running late. My tour starts in 5 minutes. I haven't had breakfast, so we're going straight to the tour, baby.
Hi, I'm Peat Taylor.
Guys, we just got to Calypso rafting with Peat Taylor Tours. What most people don't know is that there's actually rafting in Ocho Rios. A lot of people go to Martha Bree, but there's rafting right here in Ocho Rios, and I'm about to show you guys, so get ready. Guys, here we are rafting, and thank God for Peat Tours. It's a private tour, so nobody's here. We've got the whole river to ourselves.
Don't worry about anything, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry.
Guys, and that's it. We've done the rafting. It was amazing, so relaxing, fun. We got some dope footage. Guys, you need to come out here. This was lit. Next stop, Spanish Bridge. She's not letting go. guys, here we are at Shore Park overlooking Ocho Rios. That brings us to the end of the tour, which has been delightful, amazing. Like, I've been able to see so many places that aren't really publicized and like are quiet because they actually know the best times of the food still here. It's been amazing.
So I'm just about to go for breakfast. My face is shining like the sun, looking all types of golden. So let's go, baby. So guys, I'm gonna go and do my Mystic Mountain tour. So I just thought I'd give you guys an update since I feel like I barely vlogged, I barely spoke to y'all. Then my next vlog is gonna bang, but take in my scenery, baby. Look, it's all pretty or whatever. Yes. First up of the day is the Sky Explorer. Guys, we just finished the Sky Explorer and we just touched down in the main part of Mystic Mountain. And this is showing all the information about Jamaica's history from Olympics to the Appleton Estate. Righty.
Oh, Japanese weird person.
Hey guys! So we're just about to do zip lining.
Music on the track.
God, Jesus, go stand up. Go! Hold here, stand up.
Let's try not to shake it. We don't want the tree to fall again, alright?
Well.
So guys, we just finished the zip lining. It was amazing. We had fun with this one over here. Giving me headache and trouble all day.
I had an awful time. These are the worst people.
Welcome to another day. So today, yeah, I was literally rushing to make the tour. So I have no eyelashes on, my hair is not done, I'm looking rubbed out, but I'm still gonna try and vlog what I can, but don't expect a comprehensive vlog today. So we up on the tractor, baby. So guys, now we're about to do the cooking.
Here you go, my beautiful.
Thank you. Beautiful, sweet.
How do you want yours?
Spicy, please.
Going to light it up, cover it, allow it to steam down for roughly about 10 minutes.
We got some jerk chicken, we got some coconut shrimp, we got some rice, we got some bao chow, we got festival twisted by me, jerk chicken made by me. Guys, camel riding in Jamaica and getting wet. I mean, this is really a life. Even the camel looks tired. I don't even know if I want to ride it. Poor camel, man. Camel's like, oh. Nah, guys, I feel bad still. So guys, now we're about to go ATV. It's it. Oh my God, everybody go. The last part of the tour, which is the secret river. It looks so pretty. Can y'all see the waterfall? I love it.
to this.